Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss question number 9 of exercise 2.1 chapter fractions. In this question, you have to find out the perimeter of the given figure, whose length is given 4 whole 3 by 16 and breadth is given 2 whole 1 by 4. So convert into improper fraction. You multiply 16 by 4. It will be 64 plus 3, 67 by 16, and 2 whole 1 by 4 becomes 9 by 4. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is, the formula is 2 length plus breadth, means we will add the length and breadth and then we will multiply the answer. So here the length is 67 by 16 and the breadth is 9 by 4. We will add these two first. So we will keep these two in the bracket and then we will multiply by 2. Now here the LCM of 16 and 4 is 16. So here we will multiply by 1 and here we will multiply by 4. So this will become 67 and this will become 36. When we add 67 plus 36, it will be 103. So 2 multiplied by 103 divided by 16. 2 8 is 16, so we'll divide this 16 by 2. So here comes 8. So this, your final answer will be 103 by 8. When you will convert this into mixed fraction, you divide it by 8 ones are 8, then 2, then you will note down 3, then 8 2s are 16. So it will be 12 whole 7 by 8. जो आपका रिमाइंडर है वो न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा और क्वेश्चन आपका होल नंबर बन जाएगा. तो 12 whole 7 by 8 meters. You will don't forget to put the unit meter. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle given. Now your next question is, Ravi has 20 whole 7 by 16 meter of ribbon. He divides it into 3 portions. If the length of one part is 7 whole 7 by 8 meter and the length of the other is 6 by 3 by 4 meter, what is the length of the third portion class? So total length is giving. You convert this. This will be 327 by 16 and this ribbon will be divided into 3 parts. And the length of the first part is giving 7 whole 7 by 8, that is 63 by 8, and the length of the second part is 6 whole 3 by 4, that is 27 by 4, and we have to tell how much ribbon is left. What is the length of the third 4. So clearly from the total length of the ribbon we will subtract the length of the first part and the second part. So our question becomes 327 divided by 16 minus 63 by 8 minus 27 by 4. हम दोनों ही पार्ट्स की लेंथ को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो फिर हम इस तरीके से जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो एलसीएम हो जाएगा 16, ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा 1 से, ये 8 2 ज़ा 16, 4 4 ज़ा 16. So here like this when we will solve we get the answer 5 whole 13 by 16, means the length of the third part is 5 whole 13 by 16 meter. So this is a simple question class. Your next question is, Ramesh spent 1/8 of his income on his house rent, 1/8 for education of children and half on food. What fraction of his income he saves? We have to tell in this question ki what income he saves, and the total income is not given here, and only the fraction is given that he spent 1/8 of his income on the house rent, 1/8 on his children's education and half on the food, half of which of the full income. So we will here assume let the income be rupees X. So let his income be rupees X. Therefore money spent on house rent will be 1/8 of X, means 1 by 8 of X means 1 by 8 multiplied by X, X by 8 means total income का 8th पार्ट वो जो है हाउस रेंट को दे देता है. मनी स्पेंड ऑन एजुकेशन, एजुकेशन पे भी X by 8, 1/8 of X है तो X by 8 हो जाएगा. एंड हाफ मनी स्पेंड ऑन फूड, so this will be become half of X by 2. Now the total money spent will be the sum of these 3 numbers. So X by 8, X by 8, X plus 2. So when you will solve, the LCM will 8. Here you will multiply by 4. It will be X plus 4X. It will become 6X by 8. You can reduce here it by 2. This will become 3 4 by X. Means 3/4 of his income he will spend. He spends his 3/4 of his income. X is his total income, means 3/4 of his income. So how much money he saves means from the total income minus मनी स्पेंड, हम टोटल इनकम में से जो मनी उसने खर्च कर दिया उसको माइनस कर दें तो हमारे पास मनी सेव निकल आएगा कि कितना मनी उसने सेव किया है. तो दिस विल बी द टोटल इनकम इज x माइनस 3x/4. व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट यू गेट x/4. इट मीन्स 1/4 of his income he saves. That is 1/4 of x. It means he saves 1/4 of his income class. Thank you.